Hello student, today we are going to analyze sway frames by using slope and deflection method. In today's session, we are going to study the numerical as shown in the figure. ABC is a frame, A is fixed, C is roller, BC carries a UDL 50 kN per meter, has a span of 5 meter, AB has a height of 5 meter and B carries a 100 kN load at its joint. Then first we going to find out degree of kinematic indeterminacy, that is theta b, theta c and delta will not be equal to 0. Then free span moment, span AB is equal to 0 as AB doesn't carry any load. Span BC WL square by 8, so 50 into 5 square divided by 8, 156.25 kilonewton meter, and using this will be our standard formula. Then fixed end moments by again using standard formulas. Fixed end moment for AB will be MFAB is equal to 0, MFB2A is also equal to 0. For span BC, WL square by 12 will be the fixed end moment formula. MFB2C is positive WL square by 12, we get 104.16 kilonewton meter. MFCB minus WL square by 12, then 50 into 5 square divided by 12 is equal to minus 104.16 kilonewton meter. Span AB, MAB is equal to MFAB plus 4EI by L theta A plus 2EI by L theta B plus or minus 6EI delta L square, as theta A is equal to 0 because A is a fixed end and we consider delta is positive towards the right side. So MAB is equal to 0 plus 2EI by L theta B plus 6EI delta L square. So MAB is equal to 0 plus 0.40 EI theta B plus 0.24 EI delta. That is equation number 1. Then MB2A is equal to MFBA plus 4EI by L theta B plus 2EI by L theta A plus or minus 6EI delta L square. MB2A is equal to 4EI by 5 theta B plus 6EI delta L square. MB2A is equal to 0 plus 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.24 EI delta. That will be our equation number 2. For span BC, MB to C is equal to MFBC plus 4EI by L theta B plus 2EI by L theta C plus or minus 6EI delta L square. So here delta will be equal to 0. MB to C 104.16 plus 4EI by L theta B plus 2EI by L theta C. We get an equation 104.16 plus 0.80 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C is equation number 3. Then MCB is equal to MFCB plus 4EI by L theta C plus 2EI by L theta B plus or minus 6EI delta L square. Then MCB is equal to minus 104.16 plus 4 upon 5 EI theta C plus 2 upon 5 EI theta B, and then we'll get MCB is equal to minus 104.16 plus 0.8 EI theta C plus 0.40 EI theta B. Then we can apply joint equilibrium condition. First condition at B, MB to A plus MB to C is equal to 0. We get 0.80 EI theta B plus 0.24 EI delta plus 104.16 plus 0.80 EI theta B plus 0.40 EI theta C is equal to 0. It will be equal to 1.60 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C plus 0.24 EI delta is equal to minus 104.16. That is your equation A. Then second condition at C, MCB is equal to 0. 0.40 EI theta B plus 0.80 EI theta C is equal to 104.16. That will be your equation number B. Then third equilibrium equation condition, that will be shear equilibrium equation, that will be caused because of this 100 kilonewton load, and this is the force which will be responsible for translation delta. So we have to consider only column in these equilibrium conditions. So we have a column like A to B. HA will be the reaction at A, then 100 kilonewton load is acting over there. MAB is the moment acting at A, MB to A is moment acting at B. So these are the moments. So considering this, we can consider a joint equilibrium equation like moment at B is equal to 0 minus H1 into H plus MAB plus MBA is equal to 0. So H1 is equal to MAB plus MB to A divided by H. Here H1 is equal to HA, and that is equal to 100 kilonewton. And so we have the addition of MAB plus MBA is equal to 0.40 EI theta B plus 0.24 EI delta plus 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.24 EI delta divided by 5. This is the equation for MA to B. This is the equation for MB to A divided by span is equal to 100. Then 1.240 EI theta B plus 0.48 EI delta is equal to 500. This will be our third equation C. Now solving equation A, equation B and C, we get theta B is equal to minus 507.8 upon EI, theta C is 384.1 upon EI, delta is equal to 2311.16 upon EI. Put these values of theta B, theta C and delta in moment equation and we get final moments. MAB is equal to 351.56 kilonewton meter, MB to A is 148.44 kilonewton meter, MB to C minus 148.44 kilonewton meter, MCB is equal to 0 kilonewton meter. Then after getting these moments, our aim is to find out the support reaction. So we consider first span B to C, and their FBD is like this. B to C has a span of 5 meter, carries a load of 50 kilonewton meter. At C, moment is equal to 0. At B, the moment will be 148.44 acting in a clockwise sense, and this will be the sign convention summation Fy, summation Fx, and moment at B is equal to 0. Then moment at B is equal to 0. We apply minus RC into 5 plus 50 into 5 square by 2 plus 148.44. So this gives an RC is equal to 154.68 kilonewton. Then apply summation Fy is equal to 0. Then we'll get RBV plus RC is equal to 50 into 5. So we'll get RBV is equal to 95.31 kilonewton. Then again for next we consider on a column that is A to B, and all loads are like this. 100 kilonewton load acting at B, and one moment 148.44 acting in anti-clockwise sense. Similarly moment is anti-clockwise at A also, 351.56 kilonewton meter. Just we are considering a moment equation, equilibrium equation at B. Moment at B is equal to 0. We'll get RAH is equal to 100 kilonewton. Then apply summation Fy is equal to 0. We'll get RAV is equal to RBV 95.31 kilonewton. Then we can plot bending moment diagram and shear force diagram like this. So this is our frame A, B, C. A is the moment 351 point joint moment 351.56 kilonewton meter. At B 148.44 at C moment is 0, and 156.25 is the free span moment for span BC. Then these will be the negative moments. The moment we at support, and this is the moment because of UDL or span moment is a positive. Then shear force HA, we know that HA is equal to 100 kilonewton constant up to the point load. This will be again 100 kilonewton. This will be close over here. Then RBV is equal to this is the value of RBV. Then there is UDL the point load. There will be UDL in this variation. Because of this, there will be linear line. At B, the reaction at B is equal to RBV. And as in the span of there is UDL, this will be linearly variation. This is 154.69, and then RC, this will be equal to 0. Thank you.